crowns are laid onto the ridge, overlapping the sheets on either side, which should be perfectly aligned to ensure a close fit. The crank crown sheets are laid without any miters, and no miters are required on the top of the Farmtex sheets they lap over. The ridge purlins should be positioned so that the fixings are located 150mm from the edges of the crank crown ridge pieces when fixed into the centre of the purlin. Each crank crown should be positioned to align with each run of sheeting, overlapping by a single corrugation and working in the same direction that the sheets were laid. Crank crown sheets and vents are available in 12.5 and 15-degree pitches and in 2 different sizes as shown on screen. Fixings are in the same corrugations as the Farmtex sheets, through the 2nd and 5th corrugations, measuring to ensure the centre of the purlin is hit. All fixing holes should be pre-drilled 15mm in diameter through both the crown sheet and the Farmtex sheet below. The fixings are placed centrally in these pre-drilled holes and secured into the purlins. Vents are installed much in the same way and can be used interchangeably with cranked sheets. However, for cranked vents, the fixings are placed in corrugations 2 and 6 rather than 5.